How to see WhatsApp story without them knowing. So to view someone's status, you need to toggle off the read receipt option. To do this, open WhatsApp, then go to settings that can be seen on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, go to privacy. Now at the lower part of the screen, you should be able to see the read receipts option. Just toggle this off. However, to view stories without your name showing up on the viewers, what you need to do is first let the stories that you want to view load in. After it's loaded up, just turn off your internet connection, may it be your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. And then after that, just tap on their stories. So that is how to see WhatsApp story without them knowing. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.